So a lot of people might plant a bed of broccoli like this early in the season. They wait a few months and they get one head off of each plant. Well, I have a trick that will help you to get a bigger secondary floret and almost a head. It might be about a third of the size of that main head that you harvested. And then you can continue to harvest off your broccoli plants for the rest of the season. It's kind of a waste to devote that much space in your garden to these huge broccoli plants and then just get one head and tear up the plant. So you might have had 3 months of investment in this broccoli plant. There's a way you can get a lot more out of it. Now, a lot of people know that you can wait, and there's side shoots that come out of the broccoli plant. Plants have something called apical dominance, and so they're putting all of the plant's energy into that one head. All of the energy goes in there, and when you take that off, you kind of destroy that apical dominance, and it starts distributing hormones through all the side shoots. And some varieties are kind of known for producing side shoots and side florets, and you can continue to harvest off of them. But the problem is that the more shoots that you have, the smaller your florets are, and you end up with all these tiny little florets, and it's just kind of a pain to harvest them. You don't want like a little floret with like a bunch of leaves. I much prefer, if I'm going to grow broccoli, to have bigger florets or heads. And with this method, you can get secondary florets and heads that are fairly close, maybe like a third of the size of the main head that you initially harvested. So I think that's pretty good. And if you got a number of plants like this, you can come out and you'll be harvesting, a few of these heads, and you might get like a whole broccoli head every few days off of your bed. A lot of people know about thinning suckers on tomato plants. This is a way that you can get the plant to produce a lot more fruit and less leafy vegetation. It's kind of the same thing with the broccoli plant. So what we want to do is eliminate most of those suckers so that the plant puts all of its energy into just one stem.
It's pretty much just like a second head, as if you regrew the main stem of the broccoli plant. And what we're doing here is essentially re-establishing the apical dominance of that main shoot. Once that's the only shoot left, the plant will stop putting energy into side shoots and put all the plant's energy into the main shoot again. And one thing to note is that it's better to leave a shoot that doesn't have any florets already forming on it, because if it's already got a floret, it won't likely be able to get much bigger because it's far too long in its development to start growing much bigger. So it's better to leave a smaller shoot with only leaves on it. The floret will eventually form and it will be much bigger. And the great thing about pulling these shoots off is that you don't have to waste them. The tips of them are plenty tender and tasty, kind of like broccoli rabe, so don't compost them. Fry them up in a stir fry or steam them and put some cheese sauce over them. They're still delicious.
So this is a secondary head that I got, which is, I don't know, maybe half the size of the original head. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to share the video and subscribe to the channel, and also check out our Instagram and Facebook pages. And also, if you want to contribute to the channel, become a patron. To become a patron, go to patreon.com/hardcoresustainable and pitch in something every time I make a new video.